ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ribhoi Dorbar haka arpun trik risaw arsa apulai kerabu Mawnongrim banteno ya Ribhoi Dorbar hall haka shnong sning nong thamai kaban long aslaman ajing syakri ya kipat ba haki shnong kiba hap hapo ka them Ribhoi. Ya kini keslam terekam antei haka jinglun kumbash paulak tengka ya kabalamang pisa lengba ka MP Local Area Development balabu thong man pendap hapo lai benai. Ya Mawnongrim labu da Project Director jongka DRDA Ribhoi District Uraja Brahma ubalalong kum ukongsan rengkat kejingadan lang jong Block Development Officer jongka Sning Community and Rural Development Block uba idengdo Vice Chairman jongka MREGC uba dan lang Sokland President jongka Ribhoi Dorbar uba RB Shadap bat kiwei.
Thank you.
Das lem lai banai ngimbon ban pindap no. Jadi kata, yung rimde bahaya ibarit he. Dia yung dan kambar ngat bangalai kan do ban mistri ngai yung hapo ka arbnai ngan pendap tente kan subu lai banai kan simpor. Bad hakas ngi ka bangin sapli bade. Ngin sakot dagi beri bakun ki bakam. Dan kam yang ngi hang ne bad ngin sayo piang sakawe ka jinglang ka ba. Rit kum ne ngis nasana yak ne ka parking hang ne kanang ba kin yo ban yawan ki bahaya ki bahai. Desar itai dei benta bangi penpau yung songu ya Dr. W. Kaluki ibala alat yang ngi ya kene kepisah polak mat hajin sya ngi kuak mangi ke bahaya bah ten re in le kemno ka de snem kemnong kong bedang ai kan ne denga kmilenti ba inang ai piang ru la da ngi la le bah ya skim mementa
Nado bolong video uba sadap lawan mo rawang ngala da bio taka sanction Sir Dr. W. Kaluki ada ai sanction mentionari boy Dorbar. Tengah aku mau video ru nado mencuangi ni wat lat mo ka skim ne heru ngin pinkop mo men ai Dorbar mo ka kitien molong Ribhoi Dorbar just the name has its weight te ni pat ni so in ongkum no ni mdan ka skim e boro pinkop men ai Ribhoi Dorbar mo and tengah first of all thanks ya Dr. W. Kaluki. Thank you sir being an MP Rajya Sabha member and your feeling towards the development of Ribhoi is immense sir. Thank you sir. Kumba u adopt mo kasagi village po molende bringi I but trikam sar belong Serkeva is beyond my imagination like Wandra development but coordination kumba block Segi village which is zero funded mo belong mentangi land target belong it is 100 crore projects. So a man with the quality belong for the development kam tamlai I perkat ba ya Ribhoi tengah kubli ya MP sir Rajya ngai kubli shibon ya bor ni member jang Ribhoi Dorbar ya perlok ba don coklat ru ya kam tamlai video ru dan ne JE te ya bor tengah kemen mentas ni dan rangkat dan PI yang kalat men play bo mau Mawnongrim hang ni kade it will be a memorable day for me in my lifetime. It is a history making for me. I am part of it. The laying foundation stone for Ribhoi Dorbar is just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the Kumba Yopisa. Then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other like other projects like Bawangkui parking for sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline for water supply. We'll see it then. Whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself belong Kumba Ribhoi Dorbar, it's not only an asset to the headman Kumba member, but it's an asset Jongka Ribhoi. It's a symbol of love, a symbol of development for the people of Ribhoi district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Ribhoi Dorbar, we and myself PD along the district administration on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and in coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well and we are always there to help in good condition.